today I'm with my friend Will from Boosted Media, and we're in a brand new Maserati GranTurismo Sport. We're doing a road trip out to country New South Wales in Australia. And not only that, but I've got the Fuji GFX100 100 megapixel medium format camera with me to shoot the road trip as we go along. This is epic.
It's not every day you're handed the keys to a new Maserati GranTurismo for a weekend, but when you do, you get out with some mates and go on a weekend adventure. Of course, I packed the GFX100 and my Blackmagic Pocket 4K, shooting a bit of video and stills along the way. This is our behind the scenes look.
Found somewhere that would let you stay.
Yeah, because I got in there in the middle of the night.
It was Will's dodgy go. I actually bought this for our Jaguar road trip. Watch me fumble around with this like an idiot now, trying to find the latch. Okay, seriously. Like a pro. Woo!
As we were road tripping up along the tablelands, the temperature dropped to just around 0. As a point of reference, where we live, the temperature never really drops below 7 or 8 degrees in the heart of winter, so it was really cold for us.
Yeah, I'm exhausted. I don't want to do night photos.
I've got to do night photos.
The plan was to do night photos, and now that I'm here, I'm going to sleep.
And he's had 2 mouthfuls of straight
I'm
coke.
having sugar right now, so I keep myself awake.
No, we got to do the night photos.
Thank you so much.
All right, dinner time.
We're gonna. It's massive, isn't it?
It's like the can of wonder.
It's called an articulating screen. Plunk. It's not 16 by 9. It's all 480. So I don't even have to use like a vision and just
Like with your iPad. Resolution like on the EVF. This is the shed that we're going to be filming in tonight. In the sub-zero temperatures. What do we got? Oh, look at this! This is cool. Whoa! Don't shut the door. You're freaking me out. It's a bit Silent Hill, Easton. Come and play with us, Daddy. Goat's head. Yeah, I was gonna go one step further and say like human centipede or something, but
I haven't seen that. Just expecting that soul puppet just.
yeah. I want to play a game.
Alright, let's go and see what we're doing.
Okay.
You got room to get out there?
Shing's on. That is cool. Whoa, what do we got? Look at that. I can't feel my extremities.
Hey, toes.
Just need to man up is what I need. I need 50 cc's of stat. Where I'm standing, pointing down.
I'm still trying to figure this thing out.
No idea. Easton Chang doesn't know how to use a camera, folks.
In case you're wondering what my rookie error was, I didn't realise this GF lens had an aperture ring, which is why I couldn't change the aperture on the body. It took a while before I had my eureka moment.
When you have an articulated screen, you snap it out. 100 megapixel profile pic. Wow.
It's like a projected on the side of the Opera House. Hello.
Okay, keep easing. I think you cleared it, but just take it easy.
Sounds so good.
Oh, close.
Try and get ahead of him, or another one coming your way too. Oh, just be patient.
I remember my first encounter with the GranTurismo as it entered the stage. About 10 years ago, we were doing a road test with Wheels magazine, and I was just gobsmacked by how gorgeous this thing was and how awesome it sounded from the outside. As a photographer, I was stuck on the side of the road listening to the journalist cutting laps up and down. I'll never forget how amazing this naturally aspirated Ferrari V8 sounded. There's a bit of symmetry in my first encounter to it with what we're seeing now. The car's gone through numerous iterations of updates, but it's essentially still the same legendary GranTurismo we love and remember. I love GT cars. Going on road trips like these just reminds me of what GT cars are all about. You wouldn't want to be in something too rough and hardcore and edgy. I can fit my camera gear in, I can easily go from point A to point B, we cruise on the freeway, it's just so nice and comfortable. We can manage the driveways okay, but it's just luxurious, the engine is absolutely amazing.
And the car is still as gorgeous as ever to look at. And speaking of gorgeous, since our road trip, the Maserati MC20 has just been unveiled. Based on the Alfieri concept, it houses a new 630 horsepower V6 Nettuno engine, 100% developed and built in-house by Maserati. This mid-rear engine supercar marks the beginning of a new era for Maserati. Just as this GranTurismo Aspirato Edition celebrates the end of an old one.
Wow.